console, as to console, to be understood, as to understand, to be loved, as to love. For it is in giving that we receive, it is in forgiveness that we are forgiven. Thank you and have a good day.
But it's priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. Once you have lost it, you can never get it back. A cheerful morning to one and all. Respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. This is Mokshat.
And this is Kashvi of class 5th D going to present today's morning assembly on the topic time management.
Every moment of our life is a gift of God. So, now I call upon P. Vaishnavi to recite the verse from the Bhagavad Gita and Shreshi to explain its meaning.
Good morning everyone. I am P. Sri Vaishnavi of class 5D going to recite the sloka of Bhagavad Gita chapter 9, 22nd sloka. अनन्याश्चिन्तयन्तो मां ये जनाः पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्.
And the meaning of this shloka is, those who always worship me with exclusive devotion and meditating on my transcendental form, to them I carry what they lack and I preserve what they have. Thank you.
Thank you P. Sri Vaishnavi and Sheshi. Now I call upon my friend P. Sri Vaishnavi to administer the pledge.
Good morning to respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Vaishnavi from class 5D here to administer the pledge. Please stretch your right hand forward and repeat the pledge after me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity around lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, P. Vaishnavi, for reminding our duties. Now, to enlighten us and brighten our morning, here comes Jerome with a thought for the day. Good morning, everybody. Today's thought is, time management can be learnt like any other skills. And don't forget that time well managed is a life well spent. Thank you. Thank you, Jerome. Your time is more valuable than money. Make it fabulous. Here comes J. Pranav Kartikeya to tell about the importance of time.
Good morning dear principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is J. Pranav Kartikeya of class 5th D. Today I stand in front of you
to speak on a topic, time management. Time management is basically dividing and allocating your time wisely to do important tasks in a day. You must be wondering, why is it important or beneficial for us? There are various reasons for it. Time management is very important for our careers. It is one of the key factors to success in any field of work. For example, if we won't devote an equal amount of time for all the subjects we study, we may not be able to score good marks in each of them, and this will affect your percentage overall. Time management teaches us patience and teaches us how much time should be devoted to a particular activity or task. Each work requires a certain amount of time. If we are spending more time on that work, we are wasting our time. Time is money. It should not be wasted. It is so precious that once gone never returns. Time management also teaches us to balance our lives. When we make a timetable to manage time, we include everything in it like play time, exercise time, study time, food time and etc. In short, time management demands attention as it is very important for overall well-being. I would request you all to manage your time and live a balanced life. Thank you.
Thank you, Jay Pranav Kartikeya. Now let us see some tips on time management.
Take a study break every 40 to 50 minutes. Research shows that working in blocks of 40 to 50 minutes is optimal for productivity. If you're feeling unmotivated, set a timer for 2 minutes. Then tell yourself that you just need to focus for that amount of time. If you don't understand a new concept, speak to your teacher right away. If you do this, you will save a lot of time in the long run because you will be clarifying your doubts as they arise. Create a rough schedule for each day of the week. To be a master of time management, create a schedule for each day of the week. Example, when you will exercise, relax, study, spend time with your family. Make time to reflect on a weekly basis. Think about what went well and what didn't go so well. Decide what changes you'll make in the coming week and write them down. Exercise at least 3 times a week. Exercise boosts your memory and brain function. So make it a priority to exercise at least 3 times a week or more. Finish every homework assignment at least 1 to 2 days before it's due. In this way, you will have time to check your work thoroughly. Clear your study table at least once every 2 days. This will help you to be more focused and productive. Get 8 hours of sleep every night. Research has proven that a lack of sleep affects your concentration, memory, mood, and overall health. List your main distractions and time wasters and eliminate them. Take a few minutes and think about what your biggest distractions are. Write them down on a sheet of paper and come up with an action plan to eliminate or at least reduce them.
These tips are wonderful. Definitely this will change our lives. Now we have Disha Dikshit to sing a song on time management.
Good morning, Principal Sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Disha of class 50. I am here to sing a song on time management. टिक 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 कहती समय की धारा एक पल भी ना अलसाओ. टिक 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 कहती समय की धारा हर पल से कदम मिलाओ. समय बड़ा अनमोल है, समय बड़ा बलवान, समय बड़ा अनमोल है, समय बड़ा बलवान. जो ना समझे मूल समय का वो है बड़ा नादान. जो ना समझे मूल समय का वो है बड़ा नादान. समय से
जगना, समय से सोना, बड़ा समय से मेल, समय से पढ़ना, समय से खेलना, चली समय की रेल, समय से जगना, समय से सोना, बड़ा समय से मेल, समय से पढ़ना, समय से खेलना, चली समय की रेल, कल का जो है काम क्यों ना करे आज, कल का जो है काम क्यों ना करे आज, कल कभी नहीं आएगा, ये कल कभी नहीं आएगा, जो आज करना है क्यों ना अभी कर ले, जो आज करना है क्यों ना अभी कर ले, पल ये चला जाएगा, पल ये चला जाएगा, समय बड़ा अनमोल है, समय बड़ा बलवान, समय बड़ा अनमोल है, समय बड़ा बलवान, जो ना समझे मूल समय का वो है बड़ा नादान, जो ना समझे.
Thank you, Disha. It was a melodious song. Now comes Hasini to test our general knowledge.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal Sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Hasini from class 5D. Today, I am going to ask you some GK questions. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon appears reddish in color. What is the moon called? Blood moon. Name the first country in the world to ban plastic cups and plates. France. Which country is designated as India's first heritage city? World City of Ahmedabad. The Santosh Trophy is related to which sport? Football. How many medals did India win in 2021 Olympics? 1 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze.
General knowledge is very important and is required in every part of our life. Thank you very much, Hasini, for improving our knowledge. With this, we have come to the end of today's assembly. This is Mokshit
And this is Kashmi.
signing off. Thank you. Now, let us all stand for the national anthem.